and welcome to Monday Marks. My name is Sharon Saccone and I'm a mixed media artist. And in the last couple weeks, I've really been excited about experimenting with acrylic skins. It's something that I've made entire artworks out of, but I kind of haven't brought it back into my repertoire in a long time. So last video, I worked with my 16 by 20 inch jelly plate and I created a huge acrylic skin. I use these acrylic skins as collage material. I cut it up and I use it on top of some of my other artworks in order to create some really interesting layers. I love when layers come together to create an interesting depth, and it hides and reveals different things in the work. So today I am taking those collages and I'm pushing them a little bit further using some paint markers, some of the original colors of the acrylic skin, and then building those layers even further until I have a finished piece. So if you haven't had a chance to watch that video, you could stop now, go back and see how I created the skins, how I cut them apart to create collage materials, and then jump back in on this video to see how I bring them into completion. So here we go. I hope you can see how you can take a whole bunch of things and layer them together to create something new. Acrylic skins is just one more way to create collage material, and I hope that it's something that you will give a try as well. It was a way for me to take some artwork that I had abandoned and really didn't know how I was going to bring into completion and find a new experimental way to explore. And I could take this even further if I wanted to create more collage on top of this, but I think right now I'm pretty happy with the results, and I would finish this off with some pouring medium, which is a self-leveling medium that will make sure that all of the materials are nice and flat and work together and hide any possible seam. So have some fun with this, experiment, and see what you can come up with.